Jimmy? I've got some Triscuits.
Hey Tommy, is that a science experiment? This is the saliva I've produced since 7 a.m. this morning.
Hey Nate, do you want any gushers?
What sauce would you like for your nugget?
I like to dip it in the blood of my enemies.
Do you sell holy water?
Hey Jeremy, you want something to... What the fuck?
Jamie! Oh shit!
What are you watching? Videos of you. What?
Well, this is my daughter. Is this normal? Yeah, pretty much.
Hey Jessica, have you seen my bag? No.
Hey buddy, how's it go? What? Oh hell.
Hey yo Jimmy, you gotta go to
56329.
Is that my social security?
John! John? 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 Dang it. John, oh my god! What?
Timmy, lunch is ready. Yeah, I don't get paid enough for this.
Hey Billy, your lunch is...
Hey bud, just here to... You okay?
Shh, I'm trying to sleep. What the fuck? Marcus, your hot pockets are ready. Excellent work, slave. What the fuck?
So you like movies? I'm a really big fan of Star Wars. Oh yeah, Star Wars. Yeah, but only the prequels.
Hey Jeremy, what are you eating there? I'm counting which boogers are sugary and which ones are salty.
I'll be right back. Just keep an eye on my little brother. All right, cool.
Hey Johnny, you want some... Nasty.
Hey Jimmy, is that me? What the fuck?
My name is Matthews. I'm a father dead before I meet my mother. I went to see a while ago. But really and truly, I'm just there for hear what a coffee officer. Michael Matthews. Yes, coffee. Is your father last name Matthews? Yo, Michael, you good? Hold it. You understand?